Guys, it's Jennifer and I'm back to do another Material World unboxing. I'm sorry, the lighting sucks. We have had like a good solid month of rain here in San Diego. I keep trying to wait to do videos and the days are never sunny. So, sorry about the lighting, but I'm gonna proceed with the video anyway because I gotta return this box today. Um, so if you're not familiar with Material World, it's a really cool service. It's a monthly subscription box. It's the only one I do, and it basically they send you secondhand contemporary and designer apparel based on your questionnaire. And I did do a video. Somebody had requested on how I feel about my questionnaire. If you're interested, because I'm a wardrobe stylist, I have a different perspective on the questionnaires and why they're asking the questions they want, and then it also might help you define your style. If you don't like things you get in your Material World box, you can also change stylists. So that's another option. But without further ado, this is my monthly box. So first, thing you get in the box, you get the invoice and then a list of brands they take. If you want to send clothing in to them as well, they will purchase clothing from you if it's any of those brands that they list on the paperwork. So when they send you the bag, you can return anything that you have in your own personal closet that you are not going to wear or no longer sparks joy, if you want, and then you can get some money or credit or whatever you want to do with it. So all right, let's get going here. The first piece I got was this All Saints mini skirt. I love this skirt, and they are sending me previews. I'm sure they're sending everyone previews now of things that they are going to include in the box, and you can accept them or decline them. This skirt is adorable. I love denim skirts, and I love mini skirts. And the problem with this is it's a size 4. All Saints runs tiny, so I unfortunately doesn't fit me, or I would have totally kept this. I love it. I'm probably at least a 6 in All Saints. Unfortunately, when they have a skinny waist like this, when it's a higher waisted, I might be able to wear a 4 if it's low waisted, but anyway, All Saints run small, FYI. Next is a Ted Baker romper. This thing is also adorable. It's a shorts romper, a nice jeweled neckline, very preppy, exposed zipper. If you love Ted Baker, I love Ted Baker. This is like new romper. I have something similar because I have a lot of clothes, so I chose not to keep that. The next piece, I love the cut of this blouse and the feel of this blouse, and I love the designer of the blouse. The reason I'm not keeping it's Alice and Olivia. The reason I'm not keeping it is I'm not crazy about this floral print, just not me. And it's kind of wintry, and it's March in San Diego, so I am hoping the rain stops and I can start wearing summer clothes again. So, but it feels wonderful on. It was very flattering cut. It was just basically about the season, and the print is why I didn't keep that. Next. Oh, these are awesome. So the DL 1961 Laura crop flare, super cute, super comfy. These were my favorite piece. And the only reason I didn't keep these is because I have a ton of crop flare pants. So I probably have like 6 pair now, and I just don't need another one. But if I didn't have these, I would have absolutely kept those. And last but not least, another really cute piece. It's a dress by Ace and Jig, and it's a brand I'm not super familiar with. It's a gauze orange like mini dress, and I love the color of it. It's really bright and bold. The fabric is awesome. It's super soft and gauzy, and this would be a better spring piece for San Diego. I didn't keep it because it wasn't flattering on me. It's very bohemian. I'm not super bohemian, but I did think it was adorable, and I would totally have picked it for someone else. It just isn't my personal taste. So I'm going to go through the prices really quick because I didn't do that. The Alice and Olivia blouse was $65. The Alice and Jig dress, that orange dress I just showed you, was $90. The All Saints skirt was $70. The crop flare DL 1961 jeans were $46. That's awesome because those jeans, run around $200. All this stuff is really well priced. And then the Ted Baker romper was $80. If you keep everything, they give you a 20% off discount. So if you kept all 5 of those pieces, it would have only been $280. So for 5 contemporary pieces, that's an excellent price. If you have any questions about Material World or styling or anything else, please feel free to ask. Let me know what you think of this box. What was your favorite piece? If it was your box, what would you have kept? Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.